Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine, a device that promises to take the hassle out of ironing. Now, if you're tired of spending hours on wrinkled clothes, this might be the solution you've been looking for. We'll go through how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it actually is worth it. Now, before I get into the video, there is a quick disclaimer. This video is for review purposes only. I'm sharing my honest opinion based on my experience with the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines when using any electrical appliance. Now let's first look at the design. So Aironox is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around or store when not in use. It has a sleek modern look and with user-friendly buttons, and the build feels sturdy enough to last. The water reservoir is easy to fill and the ironing surface is wide enough for most garments. So using the Aironox is straightforward. You simply plug it in, set your desired temperature and feed your clothes into the machine. The automatic simply gently pulls the fabric through while the steam helps remove wrinkles. It works on shirts, pants and even delicate fabrics without needing constant supervision. Now, in terms of performance, Aironox does a solid job. Wrinkles are noticeably reduced after a single pass, and the steam function adds a nice finish. Some thicker fabrics may require a second pass, but overall it saves a ton of time compared to traditional ironing. Plus, it's safe for most everyday fabrics. Now, here are the key pros. It's fast, easy to use, and reduces ironing effort significantly. The cons, it's a bit bulky for small spaces, and heavy garments may need extra attention, but for most households the convenience outweighs these minor drawbacks. So overall, the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine is a handy gadget for anyone who wants to save time and avoid the hassle of ironing. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep your clothes wrinkle free, this is worth considering.